All right, today's day one of a 3-day camp trip. We're gonna camp for 2 nights and bounce around for 3 days. With me on this adventure are my sons, Joey and Henry.
Hi.
It's gonna be a good trip. There's a new spot that I want to try out that looks like it would be a really good group campsite. It looks like there's room for like at least 2, if not 3 vehicles and tents. So I want to check this spot out. Stopped by the side of the road. We just pulled off into Dos Cabezas. We're out in the middle of all the windmills. It's a wind electric plant out here. And there's a few square miles of these windmills. We're just airing down the truck. Henry brought out his night vision animal tracking camera kit. What's that thing called, Henry?
Trail cam. It's
a trail cam. So maybe we'll get some cool footage of mice and rats and coyotes and Joey using the bathroom in the middle of the night. We'll see. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, there's no more campsite in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Everybody's taking them off.
We just turn around.
Thanks. So I think we found what might be my new favorite campsite here in Dos Cabezas. This is a place that I haven't camped before, but right over there, it's just like this little open area, and it's so cool. I'm excited about sleeping here. It looks like there is a trail that goes off a little bit, so maybe tomorrow morning the boys and I'll hike up there a ways just to see where it goes. And the moon's coming up. It's going to be a big moon tonight. I'm excited. This is going to be a good trip. So this right here, this plant, rub this between your fingers. It's lavender. It smells good, huh?
Yeah.
Gonna be good.